Hello everyone, today I'll show you how to convert multiple PDF files to Word files using Nitro Pro PDF Editor. Open your Nitro Pro PDF Editor. Now select this convert from top menu bar, and here you will find this to Word option. Click here, and this is convert dialog box, and add files option. Click here and open your folder and files and select multiple files from your folder. Now select open. There are 5 files set, and you can rearrange this file up and down, and you can remove and add new files and save folder and source pages. You can save SSD page inside, and it's optional. And you can convert this SSD layout, highly editable, single column layout, and you will save. Also OK. Also on the code format, you will see here. Select OK. Now select convert and wait for 2 seconds. Once I'm now converting, and opening it. Also yes. Yeah. All of the files now converted. Now see this. In this way, you can convert multiple PDF files at once, just one click. Yeah. Thank you for watching. Subscribe, like, share, and comment.